Hey everybody, Retro Geek Dad here, back with another toy review. This time we're doing something a little different. I have the Revolotech Judy Hopps figure from the Zootopia movie. Now you're probably all asking, what's going on? This isn't a He-Man or something. Well, Zootopia is one of my favorite Disney movies. I know some of you probably know I've got two kids, and so I've watched Disney movies for years. But Zootopia is probably my favorite one. I always watch it when it comes on. I really enjoy it. Judy Hopps, the main character of the movie, she's got a lot of. I like her character. She's got a lot of determination, loyalty and everything. It's a really admirable character. So obviously, I wanted to get an action figure of her. Well, all they had at the time, when the movie came out, was just your standard Walmart, Target, here's your Disney toy movies. Not very good figures. So Revolotech, which is a Japanese company, they came out with a Nick and a Judy. So I picked Judy up, and I got her off of eBay. It was like $50 or $60, which seems really high, but that's actually the standard cost of Revolotech figures. They're higher end figures, a lot of articulation. Multiple face plates, multiple hands. Judy, she comes with at least, she's got 5 face plates. And each one of the eyes on the face plates, they move independently. But yeah, I really liked the character. I liked the figure. Let's take a quick look at the packaging. So Revolotech, if most people don't know, it's a Japanese company. They make higher end figures. Based on movies, based on anime, some video game characters. They're really cool, figures, really well done. Unfortunately, there is a lot of knockoff and bootleg versions. So if you ever order, on eBay or online or Amazon or something, always make sure that what you're getting is true. It's a true Revolotech. It's not a knockoff brand. Always check where it's coming from. Manufacturer. It'll say, place of manufacture, Japan, or it'll say China. If it says China, don't get it, because it's a knockoff, more than likely. But here is the bottom of the package, UPC code. As you can see, it's all in Japanese. The back of the package shows all the different, facial expressions. The fact that the eyes can move, different poses. She does come with her little carrot recorder, different hands. It's a really cool figure. I'm real interested to get into it. Check it out. Do a quick review on it. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to do a quick review on it. Cut the tape on the side real quick. There's the little backdrop. It's got the Zootopia city on it. If you haven't seen it, it's a really good movie. It's a really cute movie. Try to get this up. It's got a cover over the blister pack. Try not to throw things. Tilt the camera down some. Okay, so we've got the little instruction booklet it comes with. Of course, it's all in Japanese, but it's got the points of articulation, and her ears actually are articulated too. It shows you how to change the hands, the face plates. The eyes move independently. There's an advertisement for Nick. That's that. This little plastic piece that protects the face. So go ahead, I'm going to take out the stand first. So the stand actually has the little logo there, and it's got several different places to put the plastic holder here. You can plug those into any one of those holes. So it's got a skinny end and then a little thicker end, so the thicker end goes into the base. I'll just stick it there. And then it's got a little clamp that goes around her waist, so you can hold on to her that way, and that clips onto the small one. So I'll set that to the side. So the figure does kind of come wrapped in plastic a little bit, and that's just to keep it protected, which is pretty neat. I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out of the blister pack, and then we'll take a look at it. Okay, so here is Judy. She's got a lot of articulation. The joints, they have the little ball joints, so they're done really well. The wrist turns, there's a joint in it. She's got, where her waist turns, there is some articulation right here. Legs, some movement in the legs. I guess it's because the joints are tight, but they're on ball joints, it looks like. The knees and the ankles, pretty good range of movement. They're on a rocker too. So articulation's really good. Wide variety of poses and everything. And then her ears are actually articulated too, so you can have them down or up. They appear to be on a ball joint, yeah. So they can get a pretty good wide range of movements. So as far as the face plates, the head separates from the front, and then on the inside you have your eyes, so you can move the eyes in different directions. Of course, I'm not real good at it, but she has different expressions. So there is, let's try this one. That one, that is a bad Saturday night right there. There is I guess it's a gasping, kind of a surprise, scared. I don't know why all the eyes look like that. That's like I got hit in the face with a stop sign. It's a little better. Kind of a surprise shock look. We've got a smiling face. Once again with the eyes. This is what kills me is the eyes. So the eyes are kind of hard to move, but they got these little, I guess, nubs. Kind of help you move them around. I'm just not good at that. It's a little better. There's kind of a slightly better. It's kind of a smiling face, and then there is a, I guess, a sad face. Yeah, that looks better with the ears down. The eyes are what kill me. I really like how you can move them around. Yeah, the eyes are a little easier to move on this one. Let's try to go with just straightforward. There. We'll go with the deer in headlights look. So that's really cool. I like how you can change out the eye, or move the eyes around and stuff. So as far as the hands, she comes with different hands. So as always, just be real careful. I mean, you see how tiny that is. She's got it's like a fist. Make sure I'm putting it on the right hand. Yep. Okay, so she's got a fist. And then she also has another fist for the other side. So she's got two fists as well. And then she has an open hand. It's going to be Real careful with those. Okay, so she's got an open hand. Oh, arm just came off. Oh, okay, so they all just kind of slide in with the joints. Guess it makes it a little easier. By the way, this is my first Revolotech figure, so I'm still kind of figuring it out. So she does have her recorder pin. She's got the hand to hold that. So let's try with the ears up, see if that looks any better. Yeah, that's a little better. So yeah, articulation is awesome. Oh, the tail's articulated too. That's pretty neat. The belt is attached in place on the back, I think, yeah. So it's attached on the back. So there is some, moving around a little bit. Let's try the stand. So let's take that off. Put it around her waist. There we go. So it just kind of holds onto her like that. And then that goes in there. And of course all of this is, where you can move it around. There's the cams. So yeah, you can perform, move it around a little bit. You can have a running or jumping or whatever action pose that you want. And of course it's got all the different holes where you can move it around. So I like it. Pretty cool little figure. Really detailed. Articulation's great. I love the face plates in the eyes. That's my favorite thing. So, but it's a tiny little figure. Just for comparison, here's He-Man. He-Man's at 5.5. So she's slightly bigger. She's slightly bigger than Orko. But just for comparison purposes. But yeah, really cool figure. Nice high-end figure. All the detail on it. Her little fox spray. Got her badge. Let's see if I can get focus on. Yeah. Pretty cool. I like it. I think it's a pretty cool little figure. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we will catch you again next time.